In today's video, I will walk you through how to check field-level access of user in Salesforce. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Salesforce and move to the main dashboard where your account settings and setup tools are available. Inside the Salesforce platform, look toward the top right area of the screen and locate the Quick Settings option. Select Quick Settings and continue by choosing Open Advanced Setup. This will take you into the Salesforce setup page where user permissions, object settings, and account configuration tools can be managed. Once the setup page finishes loading, move to the Quick Find search bar located on the left side of the screen. Inside the search field, type Permission Sets. Salesforce will begin displaying matching setup options related to your search. From the search results, continue by locating the option labeled Permission Sets under the Users section. Select Permission Sets to open the Permission Set Management area inside Salesforce. After the page loads, Salesforce will display the available permission sets connected to your account. Take a moment to review the list shown on the screen and locate the permission set connected to the user whose field-level access you want to check. In this example, the selected permission set is Buyer. Continue by selecting the Buyer permission set to open the detailed configuration page connected to that user access setup. Once the permission set page opens, move through the available options displayed on the screen and continue by selecting Object Settings. Salesforce will then load the section where object permissions and field access settings can be reviewed. Inside the Object Settings page, you will see a list of objects connected to the selected permission set. Continue reviewing the available objects shown on the screen to check the field-level access connected to each one. For example, the Accounts object shows read access connected to 27 total fields. Continue reviewing the remaining objects if you want to check additional access settings connected to the same permission set. In this example, the Cards object displays read, create, edit, and delete access connected to 51 total fields. Salesforce will continue displaying the available permissions and the total number of accessible fields for each object listed in the configuration area. If you need to review more field permissions, continue scrolling through the Object Settings section. The access information will remain visible inside the selected permission set configuration page. If any section takes a few moments to load, wait for Salesforce to finish updating before continuing to the next screen. Once the Object Settings page fully loads, the field-level access information will remain available for review. The process mainly involves opening Advanced Setup, searching for permission sets, selecting the correct permission set, opening Object Settings, and reviewing the field-level access connected to the selected user permissions inside Salesforce. After reviewing the displayed field permissions and access settings, the process for checking field-level access of a user in Salesforce will be completed successfully. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.